Automation in modern manufacturing. Once upon a time, factories ran entirely on human hands and muscle. Today, they run on automation, the seamless blend of machines, sensors, and software that keeps production moving faster, safer, and smarter than ever before. What exactly then is automation, and how is it transforming modern manufacturing? Let's find out. What is automation? Automation means using technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. It combines mechanical systems, electronics, control logic, and increasingly artificial intelligence to make manufacturing more efficient and precise. In essence, automation is the engine behind the fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. The evolution of automation. Industry 1.0, steam power and mechanization. Industry 2.0, electricity and assembly lines. Industry 3.0, computers and robotics. Industry 4.0, smart, connected and self-optimizing systems. We've moved from human-driven machines to data-driven factories where decisions happen automatically in real time. Key components of an automated factory. A modern manufacturing line typically includes sensors that collect data about temperature, pressure, position, or speed, controllers like PLCs that interpret signals and send commands, actuators and motors that drive motion, industrial robots that handle tasks with precision, human machine interfaces, HMIs that let operators monitor and adjust systems. Together, they create a network of cyber physical systems, machines that both act and think. Levels of automation. Manufacturing automation comes in stages, such as fixed automation used for mass production, fast but rigid. Programmable automation, flexible systems for varied products. Flexible automation, robots and systems that adapt instantly to new designs. The trend today is toward flexibility, smart systems that can switch from one product to another with minimal setup time. Benefits of automation. Automation brings massive advantages such as higher precision and product quality, 24/7 productivity with reduced downtime, improved safety, removing humans from hazardous zones, lower long-term costs through efficiency, real-time data for better decision-making. It's not just about replacing labor, it's about enhancing human capability and scaling productivity. Automation and human collaboration. Modern factories are moving toward collaborative automation where humans and machines work side by side. Cobots or collaborative robots handle repetitive tasks, while humans focus on creativity, inspection, and innovation. The result? A balanced partnership that brings out the best of both worlds. The future, smart manufacturing. Tomorrow's factories will be autonomous ecosystems, machines communicating with each other, adjusting production based on demand, and predicting failures before they happen. With AI, IoT, and machine learning, automation isn't just making things, it's making intelligent systems that think and adapt. Conclusion. Automation is not the end of human work, it's the evolution of it. By merging engineering with intelligence, we are building factories that are faster, safer, and smarter, the true art of modern industry. Please stay tuned to the channel where I decode the systems that move the world. Like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into engineering and technology. Thank you.